What's up mga quiz, mga taste? Welcome back sa akin channel. This is Quiz Alan. Ngayong araw meron tayong papanoorin video galing sa YouTube. At actually request ito, kaso hindi ko mahanap yung pinaparequest sa akin. So ito yung nahanap, yung parang comparison nung dalawang singer na kumanta ng isang kanta. So I already did this for dalawang video na. So this is the third time na i-compare ko yung dalawang singer. So, ang i-compare ko ngayon ay ang dalawang singer sa Pilipinas, si Morissette Amon at isang kapamilya singer, at si Julian San Jose na isang kapuso singer. At ang kantang kinanta nila is yung Proud Mary. So, medyo powerful yung kanta na yon. And tingnan natin kung paano yung version ng dalawang singer na yan. So, with no further ado, let's watch the video and later I'll be giving my reaction and opinion. Go! Ganda ni Julian talaga. there you go, napanood natin yung performance ng dalawang singer from GMA sa ng ABS, si Julian San Jose at si Morissette Amon na kumanta ng kantang Proud Mary na. So, ito yung song na sobrang powerful. Yung kailangan yung boses mo malaki, powerful yung boses. And total ng performance ng dalawa, masasabi ko mas gusto ko yung performance ni Julian San Jose because of clarity nung song na malinis siya pakinggan despite of the fact na nasa live performance siya compared kay Morissette na hindi kaano klaro, na ang question ko is because of the video mismo dahil hindi rin klaro. So yun, and despite of that, kahit kung sino man yung magaling, di ba ganyan naman yung taste yan. Pwedeng ngayon gusto ko yung performance ni Julian, maybe later next time magustuhan ko rin performance ni Morissette, di ba? So kanya-kanya tayong taste, so depende on the mga performance nila. So I can say, so di ko dito sa mismong video na to, I can say mas gusto ko yung kay Julian. But I'm not saying na yung performance ni Morissette is pangit or worse, or hindi lang niya naabot yung taste ko sa the way she interpreted the song. Kasi I was expecting something better, which si Julian na nakapagbigay ng yung in-expect kong interpretation ng song. While Morissette, she did her best, pero hindi impressive yung naging interpretation niya para sa akin. So maybe sa mga ibang nanonood o makakapanood nito, maybe sasang-ayon sa akin or hindi sasang-ayon sa akin at pipiliin si Morissette. So kanya-kanya tayong taste. So dito lang. So again, hindi ko sinasabing itong judgment ko ngayon, hindi ko sinasabing siyang magaling, itong magaling, diba? No, yung performance lang nila dito. So mas nagustuhan yung performance ni Julian over Morissette. So yun. So that's it. Thank you guys. And hindi ko na pahabayan pa kung may mga masabi pa ako hindi maganda. So again, thank you for watching my video, and those who have been watching my videos in the past lately, thank you very much. And kung nagustuhan nyo itong reaction video ko about sa performance ni Julian at Morissette ng song na Proud Mary Proud Mary, please comment below. At kung mayroong mga suggestion or what you call requests and mga gusto nyo i-share, please comment down below at babasahin ko at try kong mag-reply. So there you go. So thank you very much, and have a nice day. Enjoy your day, and see you again on my next video. Bye bye.